just stole the patrol car.
Just moments after he's handcuffed and taken into police custody, a suspect wiggles his way into the driver's seat of a squad car and steals the police vehicle. After that, he leads police on a high-speed chase that ends in a fiery crash.
You got the keys in it? Good sticks. We gotta take it.
It happened in Otero County, Colorado on June 20th. That's where officials say 31-year-old suspect Anthony Alfonso Sanchez III had caused multiple crashes, purposely hitting other vehicles. Dash camera video shows first responders chase after Sanchez and force his vehicle to a stop. Body camera video then shows officers approach Sanchez's vehicle and put him in handcuffs.
Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Exit the car! Hands up!
Got me? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on? I got you.
Dude, get out on the ground.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Behind your back.
Got a holster.
Check for the gun.
I didn't find a gun. It's right there.
Officials then take Sanchez into custody and put him in the back seat of a squad car.
All right. Got him down.
Shot at me, and I don't know what the f going on.
You're under arrest. It's TBI on my patrol vehicle.
You want us to be TBI? Yeah. Okay. All right. Over here. Come on. Take this off of me.
And we have highway 19.
Do you have any idea on him at all?
Copy 1119.
None. Stop.
What's that?
Open your back seat. Hey, sit in the car. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Anybody right now? I don't know what the
Take your
fuck's
shoes
going
off.
I got you.
Put your feet in. Hey, sit in the car.
Okay.
Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Anybody right now?
Shoes off. Lift up.
I don't know what the going on.
Okay, sit. Put your feet in.
As a homeowner or a prospective homeowner, you may like to know people's...
Officials note that a loaded weapon is found inside Sanchez's vehicle.
Let's clear that fire. It was loaded and chambered. Loaded and chambered. So I can clear you 3 years if you look.
Meanwhile, in the backseat of the squad, Sanchez appears to begin crying.
Credit Union offers fixed-rate mortgage loans that can be amortized for up to 30 years. They also offer 5-year adjustable rate mortgages that can be amortized for up to 30 years. And finally,
But seconds later, video from inside the squad shows Sanchez maneuver his body to move the handcuffs from behind his back to in front. Once the cuffs are in front of him, Sanchez slides into the driver's seat of the squad.
And potentially a lot of money. If your answer is yes, then KVA.
210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning Cuervo, no record.
With that, he takes the wheel and drives off in the now stolen vehicle.
Stolen CSP patrol car. He is eastbound, high rate of speed on 50.
To success. Phone lines are open. Call now. 336-8734.
That's where I copy.
County Road, a stolen CSP patrol car. Eastbound 50. It'll be a Charger. They need a spike strip if they can.
Fella, he just stole the patrol car.
Dash camera video shows Sanchez speeding off, even running a red light as officers yell over the radio.
Notified Penn County, we need stop sticks out for this vehicle. It is a marked patrol unit. Lights are activated.
Line S1 on Otero County Mac. We're going to be trying to catch up to this vehicle.
C14, which direction is that?
Highway 50.
We are eastbound 50 from La Junta.
1122.
I do not have eyes on him. There's 3 PD officers in front of me. I have 2 Charlie 3 on board.
Officials quickly note Sanchez has access to a rifle left behind in the police vehicle.
I need as many sets of stop sticks set up as you can get.
Usually 5, we're eastbound about the 425. We'll find a good spot. I notified Towers. They're going to set up as well. Can you get a hold of State Patrol and find out if this individual is armed, please?
He is not anymore. Well, they're my rifle.
The rifle is in the vehicle. He was not armed. The gun was left in the vehicle. Passing the 390. Speed's 123.
As Sanchez speeds along the highway, officials work to set up stop sticks to slow the vehicle.
Mark's Charger is the one that was stolen. I'm in a gray unmarked. Mark's Charger. He's driving down the middle of the lane. Get stop sticks out. As many sets as you can get.
Coming at you, Jay. First car.
Eastbound in the westbound lane. Eastbound in the westbound lane. 393. Coming up on stop sticks. He missed him. Continuing eastbound. Please get a set of stop sticks on this guy.
Twice, Sanchez avoids the stop sticks.
One of the Chargers. Take lead on this. We're running out on fuel.
One coming up right now, and I'll come up behind him.
Copy 1140.
Out.
Bin 5, bin 4 on primary.
Did he get him?
Are you the lead vehicle? 10-9? Not yet. I will be living with money.
But it's the third set of stop sticks that finally slows Sanchez to a stop after crashing head-on into a parked semi.
Is that what she said? Nothing.
Where
You want me to take this? Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have a vehicle. Where's the keys?
Good hit, good hit.
You got the keys in it? I don't have a vehicle. Where's the keys? Good sticks. Good sticks. We got a ticket.
Body camera video then shows officials rush to the crash site where the squad has caught fire.
Where would you like me at?
Good, Pablo, just going through. We got a vehicle on fire.
Sanchez was removed from the wreck and taken to the hospital where he later died of his injuries. The semi-truck driver was not injured in the crash. Right now, it's still under investigation by the Colorado Bureau of Investigation. Reporting for Lone Crime Network, I'm Sierra Gillespie.